Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be making scrunchies today, scrunchies that carry contraband. So let's go to the materials.
Imagine Prayo isn't picking my calls na vila ko IG ati.
Okay, so with this piece of fabric that's 17 inches by 5, you can make it longer and wider if you want. It gathers more the longer the fabric, so use that information wisely. So you take the edges. If you don't have an overlock machine, just fold up the edges twice and then sew with a straight stitch or with a zigzag stitch.
Alisema tanipeleka diani. I know what he wants, anadhani mimi nani. Lakini sita waste no time. Alisema atakuja kunipick by 9. Me who like Japan, and I can never get with the broke jamaa. Mademo Nairobi wanapenda kunipigia uhondo na si uongo, na vile wanakuwaga wasoto hatuwataji na vile ni hukata maji pale 18 Lang'ata tu West kiwa na mabesti mshamaliza KC.
And avoid getting pricked like me. Once you're done with both edges, you can fold the fabric in half, right sides together, then stitch up the edge so that you make a pipe. Then flip it inside out like this. I'm sorry, it takes like 5 minutes.
Vile una move yo, je utashikika. Clap iko loud man, siwezi nikakusikia. Ati unapenda wings ama unapenda pizza? Je uko na visa? Ushaienda Egypt, vile unapenda giza tukaspend 1, 2, 3 mita. Usitense baby girl, ni adventure inakuita. Come and be my señorita. Good times, good vibes, don't slack, zio pita. Cheki wamejam jia vile umenishika. Bedroom bully me nice ukiwika. Just put it on me and tell me ukifika. Bima ama Benz ni unleash whip gun. Baby me na make serious money.
What you're gonna do next is connect the edges, the parts that you haven't stitched up together, and then pin them together. I don't know if you can see how I did it, and then I stitched it up, just a straight line, and then turned it inside out.
Mademo Nairobi hatuwataji na vile nyi hukata maji pale 18 Lang'ata tu West kiwa na mabesti mshamaliza KC. Mademo Nairobi.
To look like that, and I left a small opening, and that became so that I could put the elastic band. So you take the safety pin, the elastic band, and use the safety pin to guide the elastic band through this tube of fabric that you just made. Never let go of the other end of the elastic band, because if you do, that's just going to be a waste of time and you have to pull it out and start all over again. So just be patient and go all the way through and never let go of the end. Once you're done, you take the ends of the elastic bands that are still peeping out of the hole and then put a pin, sew it together, zigzag stitch. Then once you're done, you can't even notice the snap closure that I placed in the hole, and I'm happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Until next time, my busy bees. Peace, love, and Sakam.